Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Eggs. Eggs are one of nature's most versatile foods, packed with essential nutrients and protein. But did you know that not all eggs are created equal? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 healthiest types of eggs you can include in your diet. So, whether you're a health enthusiast, a foodie, or just someone looking to make better choices, stick around as we explore the best options for you. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have organic eggs. Organic eggs come from hens that are raised on organic feed, which means they're free from synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. These hens also have access to the outdoors, allowing them to forage and engage in natural behaviors. This results in eggs that not only taste better, but also have a higher nutritional value. Organic eggs are typically richer in omega-3 fatty acids and have a better balance of vitamins and minerals compared to conventional eggs. Plus, when you choose organic, you're supporting farming practices that are better for the environment. So if you're looking for a healthier option, organic eggs are a fantastic choice. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about pasture-raised eggs. These eggs are often regarded as the gold standard when it comes to egg quality. Hens that produce pasture-raised eggs are given plenty of space to roam freely outdoors, where they can bask in the sun and forage for insects and plants. This natural diet and lifestyle lead to eggs that are not only tastier, but also more nutritious. Studies have shown that pasture-raised eggs contain higher levels of vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and beta-carotene. The vibrant orange yolks of pasture-raised eggs are a testament to their superior quality. If you can find them at your local grocery store or farmer's market, definitely give them a try. At number 3, we have duck eggs. While they might not be as common as chicken eggs, duck eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are larger than chicken eggs and have a richer flavor, which makes them a favorite among many chefs and home cooks. Duck eggs have a higher fat content, which contributes to their creaminess and makes them perfect for baking. Nutritionally, they are packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins like B12 and selenium. Additionally, duck eggs have a higher omega-3 fatty acid content compared to chicken eggs. If you're looking to switch things up in the kitchen, give duck eggs a try. They can elevate your dishes and provide a unique taste experience. Coming in at number 2, we have quail eggs. These tiny eggs are often overlooked, but they're a hidden gem in the world of nutrition. Quail eggs are smaller than chicken eggs, but don't let their size fool you. They are incredibly nutrient-dense, packed with vitamins A, B, and E, as well as minerals like iron and phosphorus. Quail eggs are also known for their high antioxidant content, which can help protect your body from oxidative stress. They're often used in gourmet dishes and can be enjoyed hard-boiled, pickled, or even raw in salads. If you're looking to add some variety to your diet, quail eggs are a fun and nutritious option to explore. Finally, topping our list at number 1, we have omega-3 enriched eggs. These eggs come from hens that are fed a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, typically from flaxseed or fish oil. As a result, these eggs contain significantly higher levels of omega-3s compared to conventional eggs. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. By incorporating omega-3 enriched eggs into your diet, you can easily boost your intake of these healthy fats without having to rely solely on supplements. They can be scrambled, poached, or used in your favorite recipes, making them a versatile and nutritious choice for any meal. So there you have it, our top 5 healthiest types of eggs: organic eggs, pasture-raised eggs, duck eggs, quail eggs, and omega-3 enriched eggs. Each of these options offers unique benefits and flavors, allowing you to enjoy the incredible versatility of eggs while making healthier choices for your body. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some ways to incorporate these eggs into your diet. You can start your day with a hearty breakfast by making an omelet filled with veggies and your choice of eggs. For lunch, try a salad topped with hard-boiled quail eggs for a protein boost. And for dinner, consider baking a quiche using pasture-raised or duck eggs for a creamy, flavorful dish. The possibilities are endless. Remember, when choosing eggs, it's essential to look for quality over quantity. The nutritional benefits of these healthier egg options far outweigh those of conventional eggs, making them a worthwhile investment in your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. We'd love to hear your thoughts on eggs. Do you have a favorite type? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.